So, based sa mga previous videos natin, nakapag-upload na tayo ng mga profit-taking videos, okay, or yung mga withdrawal proof, okay, na yung mga naninina talaga nating Pi coins can be withdrawn or sent to centralized exchanges para ma-convert natin into actual cash, okay? So, based sa mga profits na nag-gain natin from the Pi network, so yung ginawa namin ng asawa ko, ni-reinvest namin yung mga profits na nakuha namin from the Pi coins para bumili ng maraming tela. And yung asawa ko kasi marunong siyang manahi. So siya yung mismong nananahi ng lahat ng mga sewing and clothing products namin, and siya rin yung mismong nagla-live selling ng mga items na to. Okay? So sa ganitong paraan, yung profits na na-obtain natin from the Pi network, mapapaikot pa natin siya, and magkakaroon tayo ng continuous cash flow. So kung ano man, whatever profits man yung nakuha natin sa Pi network, mag-i-snowball effect ito, tutubo pa tayo ng tutubo kapag ginamit natin sa magandang paraan yung profits natin from the Pi network. So for example, mag-profit tayo dito sa business natin from our sewing and clothing business, and masaktuhan natin uli na bumaba yung price action ng Pi. That's the time na pwede tayo uli bumili ng mga Pi coins, and then rinse and repeat process lang ng investment strategies, patience, and research. Okay? So talagang gusto ko lang i-share itong video na to para ma-share yung good vibes kung ano yung magandang naging epekto ng Pi network. Comment below kung nakapag-profit ka na rin sa Pi, and saan mo ginamit yung profits mo. I-continue natin, ipagpatuloy natin yung conversation natin sa comment section. And gusto ko na rin kayong imbitahan na suportahan yung ating munting channel, Crypto Bayanihan Web3 Wallets. I would also like to reiterate that all the information on our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 Wallets are published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Crypto Bayanihan YouTube channel, is strictly at your own risk. All the information and content on our YouTube channel are not financial advice, and I encourage you to always do your own research. Ayan guys, magandang umaga. Pi Network update lang tayo today. Recording ng video natin Monday, April 7, 2025, 4:39 AM Manila time. Okay, so this is an inspiration video regarding sa experience namin with the Pi Network.